Hey everyone, Luke here with the Joint Replacement Therapist. For today I wanted to show you another variation of the deadlift and doing it with dumbbells this time. So the great thing about using dumbbells is for someone who is rehabbing or new to deadlifting, it's an easy way to use very light weight but still perform the deadlift exercise and get the benefits of doing a deadlift movement. The thing with dumbbells is they're very low to the ground. If you're to start from the ground position, you have to get really down low, and you might have trouble getting into that range with good form and technique. So either you can put a step in front of you to help start from a higher position, or what you can do is start from the top position where you're standing and with the hips and knees extended. So what you want to do is with two dumbbells in each hand, you can either stand with the dumbbells in front of you like this, or out to your sides you can do as well. Feet about shoulder width apart, and then everything else is basically the same concepts as doing any other deadlift. So you're going to do that hip hinge, trying to maintain a good neutral spine. And I like to tell people to just come down as far as you can comfortably, maintaining that good technique, and then extend back up. And you can do it from the front. So as you can see, it's relatively easy. You can use light weight and progress, and you can perform deadlifts even if you can't work up to that really heavy weight yet, or you are having trouble getting deep down into that hip hinge position. All right, thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.